Hey, this is Pete, Pete's Quick Fix, and I have a Honda Odyssey here, and we're doing the window on the passenger side. I just want to check the year real quick. And it looks like it's a, so it's a 2000 Honda Odyssey, and we're doing the passenger side window controller. That's a new one in already, the controller. The old one's over here. It's already out. But by showing you how it goes in, you can figure out how it comes out. It's easier to get it out. So here we are with the new one. I just slipped it in there behind this right here, and I'll bolt it up right now. I'll show you how that goes. I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, I'm back from that quick break. As you can see, I have a pair of loppers stuck in here because they have a nice soft rubber handle to keep the window from dropping down. I put some bubble wrap down at the bottom in case it does slip. It's not going to break the glass. It's very important that you put something down there. You can use anything, a towel, a rag, anything like that. So far, all I've used is a 10 millimeter. All those are all 10 millimeter, and I've got my little Makita hooked up so I can zip them out in and out real quick. And then I'll show you this other, the trim stuff later. And it just basically, it plugs in. Real simple, that part. But what I did notice is the motor that runs the window wanted to go behind the window, but it needs to be on this side. So what I probably have to do is bolt it on here first, and then I'll bolt up these that connect it to the window. So I'm going to do another pause. Okay, hats off to Honda engineers. So I took the one top bolt off this motor, and the bottom two, you can see they have a big hole. They slip in there and it drops in, and then you tighten those, but it makes it real easy for getting that motor in place. Sorry, I can't hold the thing and talk at the same time, or chew gum. But hey, it's Pete's Quick Fix. You know, we try to do it quick and get you in and out, and so I'll do another pause and come back. Okay, again, hats off to Honda engineers. Right here you can see, where is it? My finger is pointing to it. I don't even see my finger. Ah, there we are. So right here we have another one where it's the top of the controller. You can leave this right side bolt in the top of the controller and push it through this hole and then hang it there. And then you can do your other bolts after that. And these, like I said, have the, where am I? Can you see that? Yeah, these have the holes also. You poke it through and then it drops down into place. These aren't even tightened yet. I don't tighten everything until everything's in place. But the Honda really made it easy to do this controller. The hard part is going to be back here. I don't know if you can see back in here. There's two bolts that connect to there's a plate that connects to the glass. And then there's a couple bolts that go to that. And they're kind of hard to get to. But other than that, the rest of it was pretty simple. There was one other thing I wanted to say. Oh, the guy that had this before me tore all the plastic paper off, which is kind of a mess now. Because as you can see, it helps to soundproof and weatherproof the inside of the van. But I might be able to replace that with something. Other than that, I'll do a quick pause and we'll come back for the finishing. Okay, so as you can see, these are 10 millimeter, and I got my Makita set up to do these, so I can just zip these in real quick. And that makes the job go a lot faster and easier. Okay, and the ones behind, I was telling you earlier, ones behind back in here, they have to be done by hand. So I'll get to those right now. Let's see, what else did I want to mention? Oh, this other stuff on the inside was real easy. They use these little clips. I don't know if I can hold that and do this at the same time. There's a little clip here, and the arm of this clips onto that, and it slips over, kind of hooks over to the side. Real easy, really nice. Honda did a great job engineering these, and I'm really happy. Made the job so much easier. I'll come back in a minute. Okay, a couple more quick little hints. This connects to the motor, and it had fallen behind while I was installing everything. And so I had to just lift up the window, the glass, and then pull it out so that it could plug in to one of these. I think it plugs into this one. And so make sure that your wire is out. And these are really hard, I noticed. I started to try and get these, and my hand just doesn't fit in here. So if anyone has a small hand, wants to come to Hawaii and help me, it'd be great. But so I got this bolt here I've got to do. Can you see that? That bolt, this one's already tightened. This one down here. And this is the clip I was telling you about, the purple clip. You can see that purple clip, and this right here goes on that, and it just slides over and clips in. Anything else, I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. It's really hard to see. This is what's back there holding the window up, but it's this way. So the glass drops down on these two. And once again, the Honda engineers, great job. The glass actually slides down onto these two little tabs here, and it holds the glass and lines it up with so you can get the bolts. But I'm coming in through the back here to try and get the bolt in that, and there's very limited room, as you can see over here. So what I did, I created this. What is it? Well, it's duct tape and a popsicle stick from the North Shore. It was a hot day, I bought a popsicle. And I'm going to see if this works. I'll come back and let you know how it worked. Okay, first attempt with this little tool failed, but I revised it and put two little popsicle sticks, one on each side. So as you can see, it kind of holds it in there just to get it started. And then I'll come back and let you know how that goes. Let me show you where it goes. It goes back in here, and there's no room for my hand to fit in there. And these are all sharp little edges. So I'll let you know how the finished second version worked out. Okay, so those of you that didn't believe in it, you can believe. This thing works. This tool I made. And I'll show you right now. Well, I can't because I can't hold the, darn it. I wanted to show you, but I got the little, you can see the first bolt started right there with this contraption I made. Two popsicle sticks and my ratcheting combo wrench. And a standard screwdriver. I had to hold the part of the bolt with the screwdriver too. So anyway, those of you that want to make something like that, it might help you to get back to those back bolts. And the rest, we're almost done. I'll finish this up real quick. Okay, so those of you that want to see it in action, here it is. I don't know if you can see that very well. Probably not. Anyway, it works. And if you want to patent it, go ahead, because this is a published video and I'll have my rights covered anyway. So, but the patent will help you. If you want to make something like this, patent it, and then I'll get part of the royalties because I've got this video published. All right, we'll come back and finish this up. Okay, I'm back. So the other one is going to be really easy because I was able to get the window to go up. It's a, electric window. And once I got all these other bolts tightened, then I got these holes line up with that. So I can go right in. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. So I can go right in there and just stick it in with a socket, and that'll be done in no time. So just when you get the first one on there, the window has to be down when you first get it, start installing it. But then you can bring it up with the little tool gadget I made. This thing. And then do the other one with a socket up here. Okay.